Hey my friend, what's happening? I'm super excited that you landed on this page and you've came here to learn about traffic generation. So on this 3 video series, you can learn about the endless gold mine of traffic, and basically I'm going to explain to you what you can find in the training video below. I went and sourced this video for you, and it's a video directly out of Internet Traffic Mastery, which is well, I paid $997 for this course, and this is module, I think it's module 1 out of it, and basically it's the whole game plan of this whole traffic generation game. And really what you're going to learn on the training video below is the rules, the different types of traffic, and then the different traffic sources that you can go to. It's completely value packed and things like this here, so you're going to learn a whole bunch of stuff. I think the training's maybe around an hour long, and if you go to any one of the links either below or beside this video, either this side or this side, you'll be able to click on any one of them images. It's going to take you to the next day's video, video 2, video 3, things like that there, and you can watch the 3 different video trainings all about traffic generation, things like this here. And this is really interesting and cool stuff that you're going to learn for free and things like that there. And then as well, you can see on the page here, you can get the mass traffic blueprint as well. So if you can hit the button below this video, you can get the mass traffic blueprint for free after you've watched these training videos and things like that there. So I'd highly encourage you to not run any traffic until you've watched all 3 of these videos, because what you're going to learn is the rules of traffic, then you're going to learn your positioning and creating an authority, and then you're going to learn about maximizing conversions. So it's super important to watch all 3 of the videos, and as well you have the opportunity to grab Mass Traffic Blueprint completely free, my friend, as well, if you want to learn more about traffic as well. These are the 2020 blueprints, and I'll see you again in the next video. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you there. Bye.